Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to uh, load STL into Bambu Studio. So yeah, we have two options. So I will show you both of them, and then you will decide which one you will use. So first one that because we are already in Bambu Studio, we will go here to the top left corner where you see File, and then you will simply just select here Import, the first one right here, and now you will need to find it on your computer just like that, and simply as that, now you can see our model right here. Okay, now the second one is also pretty simple. So first what you're going to do is you will need to open this file of computer, and then find it on your computer and just drag and drop it right into the Bambu Studio, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the